Hi friends, today class discussion about aims and MSRP 1 to 40 important pediatric MCQs and answers. Question number 1. Williams tumor is a tumor of option A kidney, option B brain, option C testis, option D liver. The correct answer is option A kidney. Question number 2. Anterior fontanelle is ossifies in option A soon after birth, option B at 6 weeks, option C at 18 months, option D at 5 years. Correct answer is option C at 18 months. Question number 3. Commonly used therapy for the treatment of thumb sucking includes option A fluiding, option B aversion therapy, option C therapy, option D psychoanalysis. The correct answer is option B aversion therapy. Aversion therapy replaces a positive behavior with a negative behavior. Examples: consuming alcohol, euphoria positive with a nausea producing drug, gambling and shock treatments, problems, cognition influences conditioning. Question number 4. In premature labor, which of the following medicines is used for the newborn? Option A magnesium sulfate, option B oxytocin, option C dexamethasone, option D testosterone. The correct answer is option C dexamethasone. Question number 5. Severe muscle wasting, growth failure and loss of subcutaneous fat are features of option A kwashiorkor, option B beriberi, option C scurvy, option D marasmus. The correct answer is option D marasmus. Question number 6. In following which is not preventive measures for tetanus neonatal? Option A TT vaccine, option B Flow 5 clean rules, option C TT immunization during reproductive age, option D penicillin antibiotics. The correct answer is option D penicillin antibiotics. Question number 7. Which classification of drug may be used in a children to treat enuresis? Option A hypnotics, option B anti-anxiety agents, option C major tranquilizers, option D tetracycline antidepressants. The correct answer is option D tetracycline antidepressants. Question number 8. Which of the following communicable disease is also known as whooping cough? Option A diphtheria, option B mumps, option C rubella, option D pertussis. The correct answer is option D pertussis. Question number 9. A baby lifts his hands hearing hot voices is called option A rooting reflex action, option B Babinski reflex action, option C Maro startle, option D none of this. The correct answer is option C Maro startle. Question number 10. Normal birth weight is option A 2.5 to 3 kgs, option B 2 to 2.5 kgs, option C 3 to 3.5 kgs, option D 2.2 to 2.7 kgs. The correct answer is option A 2.5 to 3 kgs. Question number 11. In case newborn shows signs of asphyxia, abortion nurse immediately. Option A. Start oxygen. Option B. Clear the airway. Option C. Stimulate the crying. Option D. Inform the doctor. The correct answer is option B. Clear the airway. Question number 12. Circumcision is used for the treatment of. Option A. Epispadia. Option B. Hypospadia. Option C. Cleft palate. Option D. Phimosis. The correct answer is option D. Phimosis. Question number 13. Central incisors appears at. Option A. 10th month. Option B. 6th month. Option C. 12th month. Option D. 4th month. The correct answer is option B. 6th month. Question number 14. Most important cause of neonatal death is. Option A. Hypothermia. Option B. Jaundice. Option C. Septicemia. Option D. Diarrhea. The correct answer is option C. Septicemia. Question number 15. Priya, a 5-year-old girl, is suffering from acute respiratory infection. She could be given. Option A. Plenty of fluids and food. Option B. Restricted food and fluids. Option C. Milk only. Option D. Only intravenous fluids. The correct answer is option A. Plenty of fluids and food. Question number 16. Repeated passage of urine into clothes or bed during night in a child of more than 5 years of age is known as. Option A. Enuresis. Option B. encopresis. Option C. Autistic behavior. Option D. ADHD. The correct answer is option A. Enuresis. Question number 17. Which of the following are signs of a post-mature newborn? Option A. Smooth, supple skin. Option B. Long, brittle fingernails. Option C. Well-developed eyebrows. Option D. Creases in the sole of the feet. The correct answer is option B. Long, brittle fingernails. Question number 18. Low set ears are seen in. Option A. Down syndrome. Option B. Renal disorders. Option C. Kwashiorkor. Option D. Marasmus. The correct answer is option A. Down syndrome. Question number 19. Congenital malformation is. Option A. Multifactorial. Option B. Caused mainly due to chromosomal anomalies. Option C. Caused by drug ingestion. Option D. Caused mainly by exposure to radiation. The correct answer is option A. Multifactorial. Question number 20. Toddler is a child of. Option A. Less than 1 year. Option B. 1 to 3 years. Option C. 3 to 6 years. Option D. 6 to 12 years. The correct answer is option B. 1 to 3 years. Question number 21. During the fetoplacental circulation, the stand between two atria is called. Option A, Ductus venosus. Option B, Ductus arteriosus. Option C, Foramina magnum. Option D, Foramina ovale. The correct answer is option D, Foramina ovale. Question number 22. Additional defect associated with extrophy of bladder is option A, pubic bone malformation. Option B, congenital. Option B, congenital heart disease. Option C, absence of one kidney. Option D, imperforate anus. The correct answer is option A, pubic bone malformation. Question number 23. What is the most serious complication of meningitis in young children? Option A, epilepsy. Option B, blindness. Option C, peripheral circulatory collapse. Option D, communicating hydrocephalus. The correct answer is option C, peripheral circulatory collapse. Question number 24. A newborn has undergone a surgery for closure of meningomyelocele. What should be the priority nursing intervention? Option A, strict limitations of limb movement. Option B, increase of environmental stimuli. Option C, measurement in head circumference daily. Option D, observation of serious drainage from the nerves. Correct answer is option C, measurement in head circumference daily. Question number 25. Which type of hernia involve an impaired blood supply? Option A, hiatal. Option B, option B, inserted. Option C, omphalocele. Option B, strangulated. The correct answer is option D, strangulated. Question number 26. Raju, 10-year-old child, presents with predisposition to fracture anemia, hepatosplenomegaly and diffusely increased radiographic density of bone. Nurse should accept the child to have option A, osteogenesis imperfecta. Option B, pycnodysostosис. Option C, myelofibrosis. Option D, osteopetrosis. The correct answer is osteopetrosis. Next question number 27. A child takes self decision at age of option A, 3 years. Option B, 5 years. Option C, 7 years. Option D, 9 years. The correct answer is option A, 3 years. Question number 28. The nurse is administering IV fluids to a dehydrated infant. Which intervention is necessary? Option A, ensuring the sterility of equipment. Option B, calculating the total intake. Option C, continuing the prescribed rate of flow. Option D, maintaining the fluid at body temperature. The correct answer is continuing the prescribed rate of flow. Question number 29. A client with hemophilia has a very swollen knee after falling from bicycle riding. Which of the following is the first nursing action? Option A, initiate an IV site to begin administration of cryoprecipitate. Option B, type and cross match for possible transfusion. Option C, monitor the client vital sign. for first 5 minutes. Option D. Apply ice pack and compression dressing to the knee. The correct answer is option D. Apply ice pack and compression dressing to the knee. Question number 30. When the infant returns to the unit after incorporate anus repair, the nurse places the infant in which of the following position? Option A. On the abdomen with legs pulled up under the body. Option B. On the back with legs extended straight out. Option C. Lying on the side with hips elevated. Option D. Lying on the back in a position of comfort. The correct answer is option C. Lying on the sides with hips elevated. Question number 31. When caring for an 10-month-old infant with hydration and metabolic acidosis, the nurse expects to see which of the following? Option A. Reduced white blood cells count. Option B. A decreased platelet count. Option C. Shallow respirations. Option D. Tachypnea. Correct answer is option D. Tachypnea. Question number 32. A parent brings a toddler aged 18 months to the clinic for regular checkup. When palpating the toddler's fontanelles, what should the nurse expect to find? Option A. Closed anterior fontanelle and open posterior fontanelle. Option B. Open anterior and fontanelle and closed posterior fontanelle. Option C. Closed anterior and posterior fontanelles. Option D. Open anterior and posterior fontanelles. The correct answer is option C. Closed anterior and posterior fontanelles. Question number 33. A mother of 3-year-old child tells the nurse that her child is a very poor eater. What's the nurse's best recommendation for helping the mother increases her child nutritional intake? Option A. Allow the child to feed herself. Option B. Use specially designed dishes for children. For example, plate with the child's favorite cartoon character. Option C. Only serve the child's favorite foods. Option D. Allow the child to eat at a small table and chair at herself. The correct answer is option A. Allow the child to feed herself. Question number 34. A child has third-degree burns of hands, face and chest. Which nursing diagnosis takes priority? Option A. Ineffective airway clearance related to edema. Option B. Disturbed body image related to physical appearance. Option C. Impaired urinary elimination related to fluid loss. Option D. Risk for infection related to epidermal disruption. Correct answer is option A. Ineffective airway clearance related to edema. Question number 35. The nurse is aware that the most common assessment finding in a child with ulcerative colitis is? Option A. Intense abdominal cramps. Option B. Profuse diarrhea. Option C. Anal fissures. Option D. Abdominal distension. The correct answer is option B. Profuse diarrhea. Question number 36. Small for gestational age newborns are not able to maintain body temperature because? Option A. Their skin is more susceptible to conduction of cold. Option B. They are preterms who are born relatively small in size. Option C. They do not have as much fat store as other infants. Option D. They are more active than usual. The correct answer is option C. They do not have as much fat stores as other infants. Question number 37. Kangaroo mother care is a way of protecting the baby from? Option A. Hyperthermia. Option B. Malnutrition. Option C. Hypothermia. Option D. Hypoglycemia. The correct answer is option C. Hypothermia. Question number 38. First sign of sexual maturity in boys is option A increase in height, option B increase in facial hair, option C axillary hair, option D testicular enlargement. The correct answer is testicular enlargement. Question number 39. All of the following reflexes are present in the newborn except option A sucking, option B rooting, option C mature pincer grabs, option D pupillary reflex. The correct answer is option C mature pincer grabs. Question number 40. A newborn who is above the 90th percentile on the intrauterine growth curve is termed as option A post-term baby, option B large for gestational age, option C small for gestational age, option D preterm babies. The correct answer is option B large for gestational age. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.